Again, the Tier 1 Bird, break 4036. We are full. Thanks for the fill. Dice roll. We're going 6 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 here, 6 here. Phillies up top. Yankees at the bottom. 6 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, 6 here. 6 here. Michael up top. Cody Basinger at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Phillies did not sort. They're at the top. Good luck, guys. Tier 1 Bird. Here we go. Tier 1 Bird. First box I've actually opened to this. Good luck, good luck. I was in here for about 2 hours yesterday, but Bobby ripped them. So good luck here, guys. Good luck. Banger off the top. How about Bryce Harper to 49? The Phillies and Michael Merrick. Bang. What a start. That's a banger. Bryce Harper to 49 on the ink. Congratulations, Michael. Next up, we've got Stone Garrett, 192 out of 299. The Washington Nationals going to Matt Pilch. And last card of the break, we got Johnny Damon last on the print for the Red Sox. 199 out of 199 going to Brian Ruthell. Again, quick recap. Got Johnny Damon, Stone Garrett to 299, and Bryce Harper to 49 on the ink. Nice hit there from Michael. Congrats again. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. I got to grab a box from the other room. I'll be right back.